Skoda Auto India has launched the 4th generation Octavia in the country, and prices start at 25,99,000 rupees for the style variant, going up to 28,99,000 rupees for the top spec Laurel and Clement variant. All prices are ex-showroom India. The Skoda Octavia has always been a segment leader, and the new model builds on the predecessor. The sedan is larger in proportions, gets an evolutionary design language, and packs more features than before. Power comes from the 2-litre TSI petrol engine that develops 188 brake horsepower and 320 Nm of peak torque. The motor is paired with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. The Octavia now comes with shift-by-wire technology and also gets ambient lighting, park assist, dual-zone climate control and more. Bookings for the new sedan are now open, while deliveries will begin soon. British marquee brand McLaren is all set to open shop in India, and preparations are underway in full swing. The iconic supercar maker will be introducing the McLaren GT, 720S Coupe and the 720S Spider in the country. Prices for the McLaren GT start at 3 crore 72 lakh rupees, followed by the McLaren 720S priced at 4 crore and 65 lakh rupees, while the 720S Spider is priced at 5 crores and 4 lakh rupees. All prices are ex-showroom India. Mumbai-based Infiniti Group will be the brand's official dealer in the country and responsible for the sales and service of the cars. Infiniti Cars already handles dealerships for brands like BMW, Mini, Ducati, Lamborghini and Rolls-Royce in the country. Car and Bike has also learned that India's first McLaren dealership will be located in Mumbai and is set to open doors next month. The 2021 Jaguar F-Pace facelift has been launched in India, priced at 69,99,000 rupees ex-showroom. The luxury crossover gets a comprehensive upgrade nearly 5 years after it first went on sale. The Jaguar F-Pace facelift is offered in a single R-Dynamic S trim. Visual upgrades include the enlarged grille with diamond detailing and slimmer headlamps. There are the new J-Blade LED DRLs as well, while the bonnet lines have been tweaked for a fresh new look. The cabin gets more comprehensive changes, with the inclusion of a bigger 11.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system and a 12.3-inch digital instrument console. Jaguar Land Rover's latest PV Pro infotainment system is also on board. The cabin also sports soft-touch premium materials and a small lever replacing the gear selector dial. Engine options on the new F-Pace facelift include the 2-litre petrol and diesel that produce 244 brake horsepower and 198 brake horsepower respectively. The engines are paired with a ZF-sourced 8-speed automatic transmission. The 2021 Jaguar F-Pace will take on the Mercedes-Benz GLC, BMW X3, Volvo XC60 and the likes in the segment.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.